Mines are a quick, cheap and easy way for a nation to close off large spaces of water, shipping lanes or to damage vessels. The UK has had a mine countermeasure presence in the Gulf since 2006. But why there?
We've seen mining in the past in this region, and it's relatively easy to do in the future as well. As we know all too well at the moment, mines are being used in the Black Sea, and nations are utilising them today. They are being utilised in order to close off sea areas and deny the enemy. We have that ability to be able to sustain operations, to clear channels as quickly as possible in order to keep the movement of commercial and military shipping through any particular region as quickly as possible. But from the heat, dust and environmentals, it makes it a difficult environment to operate in. So if we can operate here, we can operate pretty much anywhere else in the world.
The UK Mine Countermeasures Force comes under the umbrella of Operation Kipian, the UK's commitment to promoting peace and stability around the Gulf. It typically involves 3 mine hunters based permanently in the region. As well as looking for mines, they ensure the safe flow of oil and trade. The mine hunters are led by the commander of the UK Mine Countermeasures Force, who is based on a Royal Fleet Auxiliary landing ship dock. The force also has an escort ship with Royal Marines from 4-2 Commando on board, maritime security specialists with board and search expertise. All of these ships, as part of Op Kipian, are supported by the UK Naval Support Facility in Bahrain. The Gulf region is home to one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world, the Strait of Hormuz. So the use of mines here could have a real impact on UK and international trade, as well as the free flow of oil and gas. The mine hunter ships hunt for mines using sonar to detect objects on the seabed and then use a remotely operated system called Seafox to dispose of them.
And from there, I've got various options to be able to neutralise or dispose of a threat should we find one, which includes my use of remotely operated vehicles with either an explosive charge in order to be able to detonate something that we find, or I can put away my team of very specialist EOD divers. The mine hunters are some of the smallest vessels within the Royal Navy. My ship's company is just 40 people, and in that I've got engineers, mine warfare experts, chefs, divers. And that team really comes together in order to deliver our capabilities and operations.
When visibility is poor, it's the ship's specialist divers that get called into action.
The clearance diving element on board provides a highly versatile capability to the captain. We're able to not only conduct hull maintenance, sea floor observations, but also the EOD capability. We've got the Type C recompression chamber, where we're able to provide not only support to Royal Navy divers, we can also provide this to the US and other NATO allies. When you typically think of a mine, you think of a buoyant ball which is in the water column with spikes on it. A ship then will hit that, making it explode and making it actuate. Mines in a modern warfare sphere are far different than that. They detonate for very different reasons. The most common can be magnetic or going off for acoustic reasons. So therefore, that's why our CDLSE set is near on silent and has a low magnetic signature.
With modern mine warfare changing, trials are underway here in Bahrain with autonomous systems to disrupt how mine hunting is done.
What am I most excited about when it comes to autonomous is utilising the latest technology.
This uncrewed minesweeping system is called Harrier. It's 11 metres long and is designed to detect underwater threats in the challenging weather conditions found in the Gulf. The 3-coil boats attached to it are designed to trick a mine into thinking there's a ship on the surface. The mine then detonates. It's a quicker way of neutralising a minefield. Dubbed the mine hunting mothership, RFA Stirling Castle will host several of these autonomous mine hunting systems. They'll be operated by Royal Navy personnel who will analyse the data gathered from these devices. What does it mean for the future of mine hunting? Well, the Royal Navy will be able to cover larger stretches of sea whilst putting less lives at risk. Sophie Kakuyanis, Forces News, Bahrain. Thanks for watching. For more from Forces News, like and subscribe to our channel.